Hello, welcome for another video of the series Repairs for the Beginners. I hope you will like it. Let's start. For this video we have a headphone Spider-Man with destroying USB connector. My nephew destroyed it and he told me that before destroy it the microphone stopped working. As you can see, the sound is working. So the only problem is the microphone. Let's see how to fix it. Okay, next we strip out the wire and we are ready to go under the microscope. Okay, as you can see, only one wire is ripped. That's responsible for not the microphone working. We add some flux to make the solder flow more easy. As you can see, I decided to burn with outside layer with my solder iron first, and now we are ready to solder on the motherboard. Okay, let's solder it, and now it's ready. Next step is to check it if it's working. Hello. The next thing we must do is to make as solid as we can the connector again. So I will use hot glue for the start to make to stay in its place, and after that I'm using a very hard tape with wire inside. It's very good tape and I use it a lot of time, and it has a very good thickness. Okay, for the next one we have a faucet toy. As you can see, we have a lot of corrosion from the batteries. Let's see how to fix it. The first thing we must do is to disassemble the device. It's very easy, it has only 4 screws. The good thing is because it has hot glue inside the wires, the corrosion don't go inside. So with first I tried with my fiberglass pen to scratch every corrosion, but I noticed it's more easy with IPA and toothbrush. The IPA is 90%. Okay, we clean the cover for the batteries, and now we are ready to go for the battery contacts. Okay, we have a lot of corrosion in the battery contact, so I decided to desolder the wire from behind and take off the battery contact because it was more easy to work when the battery contact is outside. Every battery contact has one clip, and you need to pull it up, and after that push down the battery contact. I want to avoid to use my solder iron because there is a lot of corrosion that I'm scared maybe I destroy it. So with my screwdriver I will take off the solder like that, and now we are ready to push down the battery contact. Okay, after that we use again IPA, and with my screwdriver I scratch the surface of the battery contact. If you want another one, it's more easy to replace it, but I want to show you how to clean it. it gets me around 4 to 5 minutes to clean the whole contact. Okay, the battery contact is ready, and the next thing we must do is to clean the battery holes. Again with IPA and with my little screwdriver, we clean every corrosion side. Okay, the wire was a lot of destroyed from corrosion, and now it's very short. So I will use another wire to make it longer. We put inside again the battery contact because we need to solder the new wire to the battery contact. Okay, I'm using solder wire to solder the new wire. Okay, the new wire is soldered. So the next step is to connect the two wires, one from the original and one with my new one. As you can see, the original it's very thin and it's very hard to solder with my new one, but I managed to do it. Okay, with my solder iron, we try to solder again the two wires together. It's the original wire. It's very thin, and it's hard to solder because you may burn it. So I need to be very fast without burning the wire. As you can see, we are almost ready. Okay, the new wire soldered together. The next thing we must do, of course, is to use hot glue in the battery connector because to avoid any water going inside again. Okay, the hot glue is ready, and the last thing we must do is of course to test if it's working. It's for one friend's kid, so I don't have the whole device, so I'm using some plate. As you can see, it's working perfectly. Okay, let's move in the next one. The next one, it was, I think, my third ever repair. So I didn't have so much experience. The solder it is good still and it's working. But as you can see, the plastic from the USB it's tear apart. So I'm using some hot glue to add some mass in the USB connector. After that, I'm cleaning the remaining hot glue with my tweezers, and I will use tape to make it stay still. This tape is very good, and I will use after that a heat shrink to make it hold it together. It's not something difficult, but I wanted to show you because this repair it was one of my third ever repairs when I started. This cable is for cooler for the laptops. Okay, we'll add the two heat shrink, one for the other side of the cable because it's almost destroyed in the other side. The first heat shrink is ready. Let's move for the next one. Okay, and the next one is in place. The next thing we must do is to use the heat gun to the heat shrink. Okay, the first one is ready, and go for the next one. Okay, we are ready. The last thing is to test it. As you can see, the cooler base for the laptop is working perfectly. Okay, for the next one we have a balloon from cars. As you can see, the lights and the button stopped working. My son broke the wire, so let's see how to fix it. The first we must cut the tape to go inside the device. Okay, let's go under the microscope. As you can see, the wire it's cut. We are using flux to make the solder flow more easy and solder iron to make again the connection. Okay, the connection is ready. The last thing we must do is to check if the device is working. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.